So first, import your items and create a new sequence and adjustment layer. Drag the video into the sequence and place the adjustment layer above it. Then drag the item and place it above the adjustment layer. Search for Lumetri color effect and place it on the adjustment layer. Next, go to Effects Control and select Exposure. Create a keyframe at your preferred point. Keep its value at 0. Then move 15 frames and create a second keyframe. Set its value to -3. Select both keyframes and do ease in and ease out. Move the item in the timeline to align with the first keyframe. Select the item and go to Effects Control. Select Scale and create a keyframe at the first frame of the item. Set its value to 10. Move 10 frames ahead and set its value to 25. Then move 5 frames and set the value to 20. Next, move the cursor to the first frame and create a position keyframe. Move the item to the left. Set x-axis value to -260 and y-axis to 650. Move 15 frames ahead and create a second keyframe. Set the value of x-axis to 540 and y-axis to 1000. Repeat ease in and ease out. Just a reminder, since this is a 1080p portrait video, the values are relative to that. If you are working on a horizontal video, you will have to change these values accordingly. Moving on, search for basic 3D effect and drag it over the item. Select swivel under Effects Control and create a keyframe at the first frame. Set its value to 10. Move 15 frames ahead and set its value to 0. Now we have to make the item exit to the right side of the screen. Copy position and scale keyframes and paste them a little further and flip their positions in reverse order like this. Currently it is going back in the same direction. You can keep it that way if you like, or if you want to make it go right, then select the last keyframe of the position and set its value to 1200. Next, select swivel under basic 3D and copy its two keyframes and paste them directly under the above keyframes. Set the value of first keyframe at 0 and second as -10. Select Razor tool and delete any excess part of the item. Now select the adjustment layer and keep the cursor on the last frame of the item. Move 15 frames behind. Copy and paste the two exposure keyframes. Set the value of first keyframe as -3 and second as 0. Export the video